Welcome to my health channel. In this video, I want to explain how can you use the mixture of ripe banana and honey for weight gain. How can you use a mixture of banana and honey for weight gain? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. So let's begin. our mixture is now ready. So this mixture here, it contains ripe banana, also it contains honey. So in this video, I'm going to explain the importance of each component, the importance of banana, ripe banana, also the importance of honey in this mixture for weight gain. First of all, we have two types of banana. We have ripe banana, also we have unripe banana. Make sure that if for weight gain, make sure that you take the ripe banana. Ripe banana, it contains high amount of calories, but also it contains carbohydrates, which are very important for you for weight gain. But also, banana also has many nutrients, and these nutrients are very important for your body. So ripe banana, make sure to take ripe banana, don't take unripe banana. Ripe banana are very good for weight gain. But also we have honey in this mixture. Honey has so many health benefits, but I'm just going to explain few. Honey, it contains antioxidants, but also honey has antimicrobial property. That is why if you remember, most of the people when we were young, our mother used to tell us that if you have cough, make sure you take honey, and it worked because honey, it has antimicrobial properties, but also help to relieve, has a relieving property. So if you have cough and you take honey, it's very beneficial. But also honey in this mixture, that honey, it contains high amount of sugar, but also when you take honey, you'll be craving for more, so you'll be eating a lot. So when you eat a lot, also help you to gain weight. So this mixture is very beneficial. So let me test it. Yes, it is very nice. Make sure that at least you eat it. It is very nice, very sweet. So if you want to gain weight, just take the mixture of honey and banana, start eating. It's very sweet. So let me know if you've ever used this recipe in the comment section below. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.